Hey there and welcome. Thanks for joining me. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing. And don't forget to click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So today we're going to do two different kinds of tutorial Christmas decor. The first one is going to be a elf's door. And what I'm going to use are one of the door decorations that you can get at Dollar Tree, and then one of these shadow box houses from Dollar Tree as well. What I did was I went ahead and just painted the inside edges, whatever color you choose. I just used this light brown color that I had mixed in with some white, so that's what I'm using. You don't have to paint the entire part inside of the house, just the edges. Then go ahead and use hot glue or E6000 to add to your door, and then just push it into this house. Now this shadow box house is one of the longer ones, but if you don't have that, go ahead and use a cardboard or even one of the picture frame shadow boxes would work as well. It just wouldn't have the house shape. So what I'm using now is one of these pictures from Dollar Tree that I had already painted white for a previous project. So I'm just going to go ahead and score the bottom part of this picture, and I'm going to fold it in half. So the part that I cut off, I'm just going to glue it back to the actual picture itself, but I'm going to glue it into an L shape. Just hold it for a few seconds and allow it to dry, or what I did was just put my house on the opposite side just so it could stay for a few minutes to dry. It wasn't staying still right, so what I ended up doing was adding a popsicle stick to the bottom of my L-shaped picture, and I'm just going to go ahead and remove the extra pieces from the popsicle stick once I'm done adding my house to my backboard. And I just went ahead and used some wood glue for this part and a little bit of hot glue on the edges. I thought this was super cute. It's a cute idea for you to have right next to your Christmas tree, or you can even hang it. And I left the jute twine rope on top of this picture so you could see that you can hang it if you want to hang it on the wall or in a child's room or wherever you'd like. So what I went ahead and did, it was get some of the Christmas lights, battery operated lights that you can get, and I'm just gluing it around the edge of my house where my door is at. Now you can eliminate the house completely and not even use a shadow box and just glue the door to the actual picture itself, and use it that way, and maybe add a little bit of windows or what have you. There's just so many different ways you can do this, but this is just the way I chose to go ahead and do mine. So just add a little bit of glue on basically the points of your house to add your lights around your door. And that's how they look with the lights on. Now it's just the fun part to go ahead and start decorating. I'm going to use some of these white Christmas trees that you can get, two in a package. I'm using the smallest one, and also I'm going to use a few of the candy canes and one of these miniature green trees that you can get in a package of the village houses and little village packages that you can get at Dollar Tree as well. They come with some miniature Christmas trees, so I just went ahead and used one of those along with my white Christmas tree. And like I said, now I'm going to use some candy canes. And you can place these anywhere. I'm just going to place them on the corner of my L-shaped board or picture. One thing I can tell you is when you're going to glue these candy canes, make sure you hold them for a few minutes, because if not, they won't dry and they won't stay in place. So just go ahead and add a good amount of glue on the bottom and just hold it. The trick is for you to hold it until it's dry. So once they're completely dry, you can go ahead and add any bows or anything you like to your candy canes. What I decided to do was use one of these elf pictures that I had from Dollar Tree as well. I had used this one. Well, I have used a few of these, but this was an extra one I had. So I just went ahead and removed the head from the sign itself And you can use it like this as is, or what I did was basically just score the bottom where it says Santa Elves and just use that bottom, the top part. If you don't have this sign, easily print one out, or if you're good at drawing letters or writing, just go ahead and write it on your backboard as well. So if you have the sign and you do it like I am, just go ahead and cut it as is and then just glue it wherever you like. I decided to glue mine in an angle, just using my hot glue. Place it wherever you like. So once you're done placing that, using the bottom of the same elf sign, the feet, I decided to go ahead and use the sock part of the feet, elf's feet. I can't speak today. I just went ahead and scored the bottom of it, keeping my feet because I am going to use the shoe part for something else, and glued the sock part as a little door rug. Now you can add welcome or whatever you like on here. I just left it as is, just to show you guys you can do something like this pretty easily, just using your imagination with the items you already have on hand. Now this garland, the red garland that I had it from one of the Santa sleighs that they have at Dollar Tree. I just unraveled one of those and saved this garland, so I decided to go ahead and use it around my door. Let me know in the comments down below, are you guys already finished, decorating your entire house? Or are you still doing, are you just starting to decorate? I know some of you guys just started decorating. I'm halfway done, you could say. So once you're done gluing your garland, just go ahead and cut any extra part. And this is how it looks. Question, should I add garland around where it says Santa Elves or not? Let me know in the comments down below. Second DIY is pretty fast and pretty easy as well. Basically, just get some painter's tape, or if you don't have any like I didn't, I just went ahead and grabbed any tape I had, and I just wrapped it around this candy tray that you can get at Dollar Tree in your party section area, and basically tape it around where you do not want spray paint to be at. I'm using white spray paint, so I just went and wrapped it around, took it outside and spray painted it, allowing it to dry. I don't know why I'm fixing my hair, but okay. So once you're done spray painting and you have allowed it to dry, go ahead and remove the tape from your container. Clean up any of the excess tape that's on your container. Just use Windex or a wet napkin. And I got some Epsom salt. Now they do have Epsom salt at Dollar Tree. I just had this bigger bag, so this is what I'm using. And go ahead and pour as much as you like into your container. Now, two different ideas how you can use this tray or this bowl is you can easily just add Christmas ornaments into it. Maybe your extra ones or special ones that you want to have on your coffee table or a bookshelf. So just go ahead and add them on into your bowl just like so. Or the way I'm going to use it is I'm going to use it with some of these white Christmas trees that, again, you can get at Dollar Tree, 2 in a pack. I'm using 1 pack, this large and the small, and then a large one from a second pack. Just place them inside your bowl. And the reason why I wanted to use it like this, you can even leave it as is with just the Christmas trees. It looked really pretty, more modern. But I thought it looked really cute with these pink deers that are vintage from Target. They come 2 in a pack for $3. And all I did was just remove the little string to hang your deers from. And just simply place them into my container as well with my trees. How cute and adorable is this for a little girl's room, or if you're going to have a Victorian Christmas theme in your home, this would be really pretty as well. So which one is your favorite? The deer or the elf door? Let me know in the comments down below. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.